Hey everyone, welcome back to All Round Review. Today we are unboxing the brand new Itel CT100, a budget-friendly smartphone with a sleek design and solid specs for the price, retailing at around 120,000 naira in Nigeria. This phone promises a great value, so let's get down into the unboxing and share some first impressions. Stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Here is the Itel CT100 box, rocking that classic Itel red and white look, simple but yet bold. The front displays the phone's model 7.65mm slim, but not the slimmest out there. You also get IP64 rating. While the back highlights the key specs, a 6.75 inches 90Hz display, a Unisoc T7250 chipset, and a 5200 mAh battery with a 18 watts fast charging. Not bad for a budget phone. Here is the nicely packed phone inside. First, we have got the Itel CT100 itself wrapped in a protective case. Beneath the phone, we have got the accessories, the transparent plastic case that doubles as magnet. It feels cheap, so please note that this phone doesn't come with a wireless charging features. There is an 18 watts charger, a USB-C cable, a free 3.5mm earpiece that feels extremely cheap. We also have a SIM injector tool here. Alright, back to the phone. On the right side here, there is a power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor. We also have the volume rocker right here. The bottom houses the 3.5mm port, a mic, USB-C port, and a speaker grill, while the left side only houses a SIM tray. Then there is nothing at the top. Alright, let's boot up. So guys, this is the pure titanium variant, but it's also available in fairy purple and navy blue. At just 7.65mm thick and around 200 grams, the slim design looks sleek right out of the box. It also comes with IP64 dust and water resistant, which is rare in this price range, so this is great for everyday durability. So right here it supports the dual nano SIM and external micro SD card. The Itel CT100 runs Android 14 with Itel OS 14.5 and it feels clean and responsive so far. It's powered by the Unisoc T7250 Octa-core processor with a Mali G57 MP1 GPU. This is the 4GB RAM and the 128GB storage variant, but there's also a 8/256GB and 12/256GB option with up to 24GB of virtual RAM with MEM fusion technology. And the brightness is still not bad with a 700 nit peak brightness. The 13MP rear camera and 8MP front camera looks promising for the price, but we'll need to test them in various lighting conditions for the full review. So guys, no much bloatware here, but you'll get a similar experience with recent previous Itel phones, and I'll be testing every feature of this phone, including the camera, battery endurance, light gaming, the AI features, water and dust resistance, and others. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. So what's the first take? The Itel CT100 is a stellar pick for budget buyers, especially for students or first-time Android users wanting a budget phone. The design is sleek, the display is fluid, and that massive battery is a game changer. I'm curious to see how the Unisoc chipset handles gaming and multitasking. That's it for the unboxing and first impression of the Itel CT100. What do you think about this budget phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what to test in the full review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. It's Mr. Ra here once again, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.